Hello everyone. So today I will show you how 90% of traders just waste 3 to 6 years on the wrong things. And I will show you how you can elevate your trading plan and trading profitability in just 6 months with those 6 steps. So, first of all, we have to know the more you keep it simple, the more you will make money. So, the 6 steps are very simple as we'll go with master one and solid system. One and only. No matter how you see shiny things or this system is great and this and why, one and only system. Because you have to keep your bias. Every system has its own psychology, every system has its own challenges. So master one and only. Two, cut all the bullshit. I mean by that what? All telegram groups and signals and those indicators and I don't know what. You have to know something very important. No one will give you money for free. And the second more important, no indicator will help you make money if you don't read, know how to read a chart. Three, risk management, which is very important and the king of all rules, which is if I win 250 times in this year and I am the master here and I don't have risk management, do you feel what will happen to me if I lose one day and I vanish all the 250 days profit? Do you think this is a business or a gambling? So you have to know your risk management and respect it. That's very, very important. Four, which is be critical with your analysis. And what I do mean by that, if you have like a great move and you got Informo and you want to get the move, if you miss it, okay, miss it. You wouldn't lose anything. But if you have like FOMO and you want to get in the market very fast and take this and take that, and you will lose. And if you are lucky enough and smart enough and use risk management, maybe you'll lose 1%, 2%. But what's the main point of joining to join? It's not like that. You have to respect your trading plan, which is, I will show you, break it through to you in the next slides. And you have to stick to your trading plan. I said it now. So, and six, you have to journal. So it's very, very important to see what are the wrong things you are doing, the right, and every single step. So today, I will show you the trading plan and how you can put a trading plan to elevate yourself. And if you want any more topic, so I can show it and break it through to you and explain more about it, just comment about it and I will be taking the most one. So trading plan. The main and most important thing, I said it to you guys, is risk per trade, risk management. You have to know how to you want to risk per trade. If it's 1%, 2%, 0.5%, no more that no more than that. You have to stick to it, okay? And you have to go with every single trade. Like if you have this clear setup, I want to risk 5% or 10%. This setup exactly will let you lose. You have to risk per trade fix. You have to put it fix. No trade like 1%, this 10%, this 5, this one. You have to know what you want to risk per trade. It's not like I feel like great, I will risk like that. I feel like that, I will risk like no. And you have to stick with 1 to 2 trades. What do I mean by that? For me, I can find many trade ideas in the market per day. Like, let's say 20. Do I need to take all 20 trades or I need to take 1 or 2 trades that are quality? What do you think? That's very important. and no one can lose his account unless two only things, which is over trading, making more than 1 to 2 trades, 4, 5, 10, I don't know, per day, and over risking, which is that's why risk management is killing. And then for me, for my own strategy, max stop loss will be 40 pips. Why? Because if 40 pips is my stop loss and I am risking 1%, I need 40 pips to get 1%. 80 pips, I get 2%. So I don't need to go larger than that. So I can wait longer and to get those percentage as I'm a funded trader. So second important thing, you have to define your bias. So don't like go into a market. This is a sell. No, if it break here, buy. And what I do? No, you have to put a plan. If it do this, I will go for a buy. That's it. If it did your plan, you take the trade. If it did not, you will not take anything. And I mean it. Okay. So you have to look on big time frames. You have to start with daily, 4 hour, 1 hour to know how the market is moving. Okay. And you have to define the trend. The trend is your friend. So the third thing important, the set up your trading time, which is many people just join into trading for uh, financial freedom and time freedom. They want time to spend it with their families, their loved ones, their friends, but they find themselves waiting 6 hours on the market, 8 hour, 12 hour, as they don't sleep. Trading is not like that. I have been 2 years now in this industry. I don't trade more than 2 hours maximum, and that's the beauty of it. If I trade more, I will lose. I'm telling you. So you have to set and define your trading time. You have to know the sessions that the pair you are trading on that move and define it and just trade this session. 1 2 hour per day is more than enough. And you have to specify 1 to 2 pairs that move during this session. Okay. So make sure to write it down and you will be much better into your trading. And what are the next steps? You have to wait a retracement. You know, when you have like this big moves and everyone is panicking, buy, or sell, or they want to jump into this move so they cannot like miss it. This is when the market will retrace. So the market don't like move one way up. They move up, they retrace, consolidate, and move up, consolidate, move down, and on and on. So you have to be patient and you have to define the key levels. What do I mean by key levels? Support and resistance levels, lines, areas. And you have to know the strong from 4 hour and break it through 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes to know which areas are strong and where the market will be like get here and reverse or where I can put my stop loss and those things. You have to respect those areas and make the market to move to your direction in order to take your trade. The golden rules are to keep your bias. No, like you got into a buy, then no. I think it's going for a sell. You close it into loss, you go into sell. And then the market move up. Oh, I know it, I will buy. You close the sell, you go into buy and reverse. And you close it in loss. And the market was consolidating between you was like vanishing your account. So you have to keep your bias. It's not a game here. And always wait a closer with your direction so you can take your trade, so you can be confident with your setups. Okay. After getting all rules confirmed, you execute. For me, my swing system, I execute on 15 minutes. It depends on you. Okay. I'll show to you now journaling and what's important of journaling. And before that, I will show you and break something of what I'm trading or how my system works. So first of all, there's some simple rules. how simple it is, how you'll make money. As simple as that. So first of all, we have like this a trend up. Okay, and you have here a key level. If you see, that's great. After here and reversing, in my own strategy, I have here I can put a stop loss. This is a strong stop loss, and the trend is up, and many other combined. Here I can go with a buy with reversals, and I can take here my first P. But the main point here, it have reversed and I lost. Like we can put 1 - 1%. Okay, I didn't lose that much. So after that, we'll go, let's, the trend have shifted and we can see a bearish trend. Okay, so high, lower high, and it made here a lower high. It have got to this key level and it's reversing. Now I can take the sell and stop loss here and first P here, and I can take a runner and see where I can close it based on key levels before. So this is like I can like +1 for C or +3 as well. So you have to set setups of win ratio 1 to 2 minimum, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and above. Okay, don't like go to extreme 1 to 10 and 20, and I don't know those might, but you have to keep it real. For example, here, it's, for example, if you see here, it have break up, it didn't retest, and it move all the way up. Do I get FOMO and just join to join? It's not logical because if like I want to join and I get a buy here, even it kept moving up, but my stop loss or if I want to put a good stop loss, it will be here. It's very big, so it's not logical to be honest. So what I rather do is wait a retracement, see the key levels, and I can take a buy from here, TP defined, stop loss defined, and all is good. As well as here, if you see, uh, here all, if you see here as well, so you have here high and here higher high, okay, and it goes down to this key level. But what happened? It made a lower high. By making a lower high here and breaking this low, I can go with a sell as what it's head and shoulder. So I can get my first P on this key level and keep moving down. I can, the market have like given me here another entry. So I can go, if it reversed, so I can get my second entry here and go with it down. The main point you have to do, and you have to put it in your mind, the more it's simple, the more you will make money from it. Don't complicate it. It's not something from astronauts. And every time you see something like, I don't know, what is that, and those lines, and just run. Okay, so we'll now go for the journaling and why it's very important. So the main point of journaling is to know what's happening for you and with your trades, and to know what's right and what's wrong. If you have like got into a losing streak or a winning streak, what is happening? What are the things are making mistakes? What are the things you have to do more? So, for example, if you have got 3 losing streak and all of it, you see like you have lost into a rectangle shape, for example. Do you just remove the rectangle from your trading plan? It's not logical because if you go to into your winning as well, Maybe you have win four into four rectangles, and that's okay. I lost three. I win four. The setup is 1 to 2, for example. Oh, I can't get out of and remove this thing from my trading plan. Okay, so you have to analyze your winning before you're losing and know what's hurting your trading plan and remove it. So the more you are journaling, so the main point here, you have to keep yourself accountable. You can take this form, okay, and you can put it on your Excel and break it down on weekly time frame when you have started and the end of the week. How much did you win? How much did you lose? And don't trade like more than 5 to 7 trades per week. Yeah, I mean it. For me, I do take like 5 trades if there's a market super amazing. Every day have got given me a trade, and sometimes do not take any more trades. It's not about just every day I have to take a trade. No, keep it simple, give it time, okay, and master the skill. Don't look about money. Don't focus on money. And the last thing I want to give it to you and tell you, you have to be proud of yourself. You have got here, you are serious about your life, you are serious about your career, take it as a business and keep moving on. Okay, so if you want and you have any more question, you can direct me on Instagram. If anyone from the team have sent you this video, make sure to ask them any question you have. And bye.